Hi guys, I'm doing a lot in this video. I'm showing you how to make an eat sign for my kitchen. I'm shouting out some small businesses and some giveaways that I won. And I want to thank you guys who inspired me to start selling my own creations. This is an example of the champagne glasses I have. Links are in the description. Let's get into this video. Now I won some things. I did a giveaway where I actually gave away 3 items. Well, I did 3 giveaways when I reached 2K, and I won 3 giveaways. I was really shocked. I didn't expect to win anything, but let me show you. The first channel was from BB Styles. Her channel is about fashion. She actually puts together some wonderful, fabulous outfits. She does the accessories, the shoes, everything, the jewelry. And she had a goal that she reached, and she did a jewelry jar. And my goodness, all you had to do was comment, and she made everybody a winner. I didn't win the jar, but she gave us a jewelry bag, so I wanted to thank you. Definitely want to send people over. If you like fashion, you definitely want to check her channel out. And she just put the jewelry in a bag, and I like everything in here. I don't buy a lot of jewelry because I don't really know how to accessorize, and that's one of the reasons I like watching her channel. But I love this bracelet. It's so cute. It's like a charm bracelet. It's got hearts on it, and it says love, dream, and wish. So pretty. So there's things like that in there, and I'm gonna leave her description, her information in the description box so that you can see it. And I can't wait to try to match some things up. And the second person is Brandy White Cloud. She did a Christmas giveaway. She does a big Christmas giveaway at the end of the year, and she's just she went all the way out. And I want to show you what I asked for if I won. I wanted the makeup palette, so it's a Revolution, Makeup Revolution by London, and I'm going to show you, it's the Wild Animal palette, and I'm going to show you, of course, what the colors are in here. And then I have one more. I'm going to get through these. Oh, there it is. Look at that. I've got some gold, white, purples. I got some earth tones in there. So I like the brighter color. I think my palette I have doesn't have as many, so I'm excited about this. Something new to add to my collection. Thank you so much, Brandy White Cloud. And she has a small business. So I'm shouting out all the small businesses and leaving their links in the description box, because you definitely want to support them. And she sells like spa items. Her channel is also about jewelry, fashion. So I've seen her pair some outfits that were absolutely fabulous as well. And that's just my thing. I like these types of content, so if you do, you'll enjoy it. Now my third giveaway that I won was a $50 Amazon gift card, and it's from Love the AJ. So if you guys haven't checked them out, definitely check them out. I was so excited that I won anything. You know, I gave away 3 gifts, didn't expect to get it in return. And they have a business called, I'm just trying to make sure I don't mess up the name, but I'll leave it in the description box. Yeah, check their content out and visit their website. Yeah, I'm in the process of getting ready for New Year's, and I'm converting part of my kitchen into a little eating area. So I created an eat sign. I'm going to show you in 2 minutes how to do that. I went through the process really fast. I set out some of those glasses in the beginning of the video to show you what they look like, and you can purchase those in the links below in the description box too. So I'll let you see these glasses for New Year's, and just so you know, you can personalize them.